Hello and welcome to the Section 6.4 application walkthrough. For these problems, we're going to be looking at lines of best fit. Okay, and we have really just one set of data that we're going to use for the entire length of the problem. So it says here that Mr. Gaul starts his own company selling t-shirts of his favorite artist, Nick Jonas. Whether that's true or not, you can figure that part out. So he collected data that shows the relationship, the number of months that he has had his company, and the amount of money that he has made. So like after 2 months I made $42, after 10 months I made $93, and after 15 months I made $122. Okay, and that's at the end of each one of those months. So your first step is just going to be to graph the data that I've given you, and that's just going to be a scatter plot. Okay. After you've done that, try to figure out what the line of best fit would be. Make sure, I'm just going to put some notes here. So line of best fit. Make sure that it goes through 2 points. So preferably 2 points that exist up here, because some months, maybe I made a little bit more money than other months. So, it's not just going to be a line that goes from one point to the next, to the next, to the next. I'm not looking at a line graph where you're showing the increases and decreases over certain months. I just want you to guess the line of best fit. So again, make sure it goes through 2 points because that can really help you finding slope. Okay, and then you're probably going to need to use that slope. And so use slope and a point to find the y-intercept. Okay, or you can use point slope form and just solve it for slope intercept form. Either way, you're looking at really about the same amount of work. Okay, so then the next part says, part C, how much money will Mr. Gaul have at the end of 9 months? So for that, you're just going to say x equals 9. Okay, so 9 months on that part of the problem. And then on part D, it says Mr. Gaul wants to estimate how much money he would make after having the business for 3 years. Now you kind of have to think about it. Does 3 years mean that x equals 3? Okay, does it? I don't think it does, because 3 years does not mean, x is measured in months. So you're going to have to figure out, so that's a no-no. You're going to figure out how many months are in 3 years. Okay, and that'll be your x value. You plug that into your equation, and that's how we use models to estimate what'll happen in the future. Okay, so after you get those problems done, make sure you get all that stuff checked, and I'll be the one checking that. And good luck on the good luck on the mastery challenge, and we will see you later.